Hello, Steve Ladon here at MarineMax Boston, and I'm on our new trade-in 2011 Nitro Z-8 bass boat. This boat's powered by a 225 Optimax. It's going to push the boat along at about 57 miles an hour. If you're a tournament angler, this is exactly the layout you'll want. Huge rod storage, big front deck for all your rods, and plenty of space to maneuver. Behind our seats here, we have two separated live wells, so if you're a tournament angler, keep your catch alive, and you can plenty of space for co-anglers, 5 fish as well. Nitro is really known for their storage, so you look forward here. Large storage compartments, 2 big rod lockers. At the helm, we've got a Lowrance HGS Gen 110 flush mounted, so you can do all your sonar and chart plotting right here at the helm. We've got trim button here on the steering wheel. This boat also has a manual jack plate. Moving forward, it's like a big dance floor up here. We've got a 36-volt Minn Kota Fortrex trolling motor. So, most of your bass fishing is going to be done up here in the front, so it's important to have a quality trolling motor. We've got a LS1 Transducer on the trolling motor as well, so it's a plug and play, so add whatever Lowrance you like, and you're in business with 2 screens. For more information on this Nitro Z8, please feel free to give me a call at 774-991-3880.